guys, you are hanging with the Huffman's Design Edition today, and I am making some wall art. I call it practical wall art. So I'm taking these 6 hexagon shapes. They are bulletin board, cork board, I should say, and we are covering them with some cool fabric. I went to our local Hobby Lobby and found some amazing fabric, and we are going to cover them. Super easy. These are actually peel and stick ones. I'm not going to peel and stick to the wall. I'm actually going to peel and stick the fabric to the hexagons and then use my hot glue gun to fully secure them. So, super simple craft you can do at home to dress up your wall. Like I said, practical art, because we are going to hang artwork from the kids' school on these. So let me show you where I'm hanging them. So here is a spot in my kitchen, just a bump out that we had to put in when we did our remodel because of HVAC. And it's just so boring, and I've been looking at it for a long time. So I decided to do some corkboard and dress it up a little bit. Okay, so first thing that I did, I just laid these corkboard hexagons on this material, cut out a square that's a little bit larger than them, and then I'll just peel off the back. And by the way, I just got these hexagons on Amazon. You can get them from Hobby Lobby. I got my fabric and my scissors from our local Hobby Lobby, which that would probably be the best, your local Joann or Hobby Lobby, because it's always good to shop local. So what I'm doing here is I'm just cutting the material diagonally at the points, so when I go to fold it over, it all just nicely folds over. Okay. So after I cut my pieces at each corner, I'm going to use this sticky side to my advantage so I don't have to use too much hot glue. So what I do is hold it tightly and fold and stick. So you want to make sure they're tight. So I'll do one here, and then I flip it over and do the opposite side just to make sure it's taut, because you want to make sure you pull and it's tight. So stick that down and fold. So now here, when you have fabric over fabric, this is where I use my hot glue gun, because you want to make sure everything is secured. Just be careful you don't touch the hot glue. Been there, done that. Which, by the way, I'm doing this on my kitchen counter, Canterbury countertops. I'm not worried because they're so durable. And they don't stain. That's the thing that I most worry about with stone, is the staining. Let's face it, countertops are a huge investment, so you don't want to be staining them. However, since quartz material is non-porous, I don't worry. Hold it over. Careful. There's no one in Stella. Stella loves arts and crafts, by the way, right, Stella? So when you get these little pointy things, what I do is I just put a little hot glue on there and then kind of stick it down. Very simple. And just be very careful, because they don't call it hot glue for nothing. So cheesy. It's hot. just did that to prove my point. I will show you once I am finished with all of these, stick it up on the wall and what it looks like. All my hexagons all wrapped and laid out, ready to go up on the wall. So I use 3M command strips for a lot of my hanging. It's because they're so easy to use. I usually do my 3M strips and a level. Super easy. That way, whenever you want to take them down, you don't have to patch them. And just like that, we're done. Super easy craft. You could do with your kids, you could do on your own. All you need is some fabric, some cork board, hot glue gun. And then I like to use a level and 3M strips to hang it. But the cool thing about these Hexagon cork boards that I actually ended up buying, they come with these little clothespins that have a tack in it. So all of these school pictures that come home every day that you just don't know what to do with, you can hang them up. So check out the wall. So this space was just boring. It just screamed I can be useful. So now I'm gonna easily hang it up on these stylish hexagons. An easy, fun way to do a morning project. Everyone do, if you enjoyed this craft and want to see others or really like to see our projects or our family adventures, make sure to like and subscribe. Comment below. Comment below any other fun projects you would like to see or would like to do. So, bye for now.